French verb go.
Aller.
Je vais, tu vas, ils vont. Welcome, let's.
Aller.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Hey grab your virtual sneakers and let's go. Quick roadmap. You'll meet the forms of go in French, laugh a little, drill a lot, and finish with a challenge. Ready? On why, ahem. Let's.
Aller.
Your goal today. By the end, do can confidently say I go, you go, he goes, she goes, it goes, we go, you go, and they go, in French, without breaking a sweat. You'll hear the natural forms, practice pronunciation, and use them in many situations so your brain says, oh, that's easy. You've got this. Forms fast lane. Repeat after me, short, friendly, and fast. I'll say English, you answer French. I go.
Je vais.
You go, singular, informal.
Tu vas.
He goes.
Il va.
She goes.
Elle va.
It goes, as in, it's okay.
Ça va.
We go.
Nous allons.
You go, plural, formal.
Vous allez.
They go.
Ils vont.
The base verb go.
Aller.
Mini dialogue, the late train. Listen in and then shadow both parts. You've got actor energy today. A. Are we late? We go now or later? B. Relax, it goes.
Ça va.
A. Okay, we go to the platform? B. Yes, we go.
Nous allons.
Ch.3. A. And you go first, or I go first. B. You go first.
Tu vas.
Deboard, I go after.
Je vais.
Après. Conductor. Doors closing. Let's go.
On y va.
Culture tip. Tiny words, big power. 2 everyday phrases will make you sound instantly natural. Say.
Ça va.
To mean, it goes, it's okay, both as a question and an answer. Say.
On y va.
For a friendly, let's go, and cheer a group with.
Aller.
You'll hear it at matches and fun runs. Drill and repeat. Call and response time, IQ English, you fire back in French out loud. I go.
Je vais.
You go, singular.
Tu vas.
He goes.
Il va.
She goes.
Elle va.
It goes.
Ça va.
We go.
Nous allons.
You go, plural, formal.
Vous allez.
They go.
Ils vont.
Go, infinitive.
Aller.
Speed quiz. Flash round. Say the French before I reveal it. Q. They go. A.
Ils vont.
Q. You go, plural, formal. A.
Vous allez.
Q. We go. A.
Nous allons.
Q. He goes. A.
Il va.
Q. She goes. A.
Elle va.
Q. You go, singular. A.
Tu vas.
Q. I go. A.
Je vais.
Q. It goes. A.
Ça va.
Q. Go, base form. A.
Aller.
Challenge. Make it yours. Build quick lines. Say the English, then the French. If you stumble, smile and try again. He goes to the park. Possible.
Il va.
Au parc. We go by bus. Possible.
Nous allons.
En bus. You go first, plural. Possible.
Vous allez.
En premier. I go now. Possible.
Je vais.
Maintenant. They go to the museum. Possible.
Ils vont.
Au musée. It goes, no problem. Possible.
Ça va.
Pas de problème. You go left, singular. Possible.
Tu vas.
À gauche. She goes on foot. Possible.
Elle va.
Up hide. Wrap up. Nice work, do. You hit every form of go and used them in context. Remember, go equals.
Allez.
I go equals.
Je vais.
You go equals.
Tu vas.
Slash.
Vous allez.
He goes equals.
Il va.
She goes equals.
Elle va.
It goes equals.
Ça va.
We go equals.
Nous allons.
They go equals.
Ils vont.
Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, share the episode with a friend, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content. À la prochaine.
On y va.
Toward your next win.